Hello students. Today we will study about the composition and formation of acid rain. Okay. So see natural rainwater. Natural rainwater, it is produced in unpolluted air, is only slightly acidic. If natural water, it is produced in unpolluted air. If the air is not polluted and natural water is there, that natural water will be very slightly acidic. The CO2 present in traces in the unpolluted air dissolves in rainwater, forming weak carbonic acid. There, if the air is unpolluted, only carbon dioxide is present, and that carbon dioxide, we know that it will form carbonic acid when it will react with water, and carbonic acid, it is present in cold drinks. We can easily drink those cold drinks, so it will not form very acidic water. Okay. Now see, here the pH values are given. pH, actually this whole term deeply you will study in class 10th. Here just see this 7. If pH is 7, it means it is neutral. Pure water, it has pH 7. It is neutral. If pH is less, here it is acidic character, and these are the most acidic liquids here. And if we'll go here, the basic characters starts here, and here if we come to this 14, here the most basic liquid, or the most basic base will be alkali will be present here. Okay, strong alkalis here and strong acids here. Those 7, it is for the pure water. So if you'll see here, see, if rainwater is there, it will have pH of 5.3 to 6. Okay, pH of this range only. It means it is very slightly acidic in nature. But if the rain is acidic rain, so its pH will be 3.5 to 5.3, which is quite acidic in nature. So this is the range for that. See, a scale which measures acidity or alkalinity of a solution. This is the scale which measures. See, if we want to test whether the liquid is acidic or base, then we can dip litmus papers to it. Okay, if blue litmus paper will dip in base, it will remain blue, but if we will dip it in acid, it will turn red. If red litmus paper is there, then in acid it will remain red, but in base it will turn blue. Okay, so if just we need to find out whether the liquid is acidic or basic, we can use litmus papers. But if we have to find out whether the given liquid, it is strong acid or a strong base, or a weak acid or a weak base, then in that case we use pH papers. pH papers, they measure the acidity or alkalinity of the solution. Now see, pH scale has values from 0, means most acidic, this is the most acidic, to 14, that is the most basic. 7 of pure water, it is neutral. pH of natural rainwater, it ranges from C 5 to 6, and if the rain is acidic rain, then it ranges from this 3.5 to 5.6, they have written here. Okay, now composition of acid rain. In our previous video we studied that there are two types of oxides which causes acidic rain: the oxides of sulfur and the oxides of, yes, nitrogen. So acid rain, it refers to the rain or any precipitation form which has pH less than 5.6. If the pH it is less than 5.6, then the rain will be acid rain. Since it is caused by atmospheric pollutants like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, it is a complex mixture of sulfuric acid, nitric acid, sulfurous acid and nitrous acid. All these four acids are present in acid rain. Now formation of acid rain. Today we will study till here. Formation of sulfuric acid. Electric power stations, they burn coal for power generation. Sulfur is present. as impurity in coal. So sulfur, when it is burnt in presence of oxygen, it will give sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide, when it will react with water vapors, it will form H2SO3, sulfurous acid. See, it is sulfurous acid. And when this SO2, it is oxidized in presence of, actually it is present oxidized in presence of V2O5, vanadium pentoxide. If this SO2, it is oxidized to SO3, and when this SO3 will react with water vapor, it will form H2SO4. So here we are seeing, what we are seeing here is sulfur, when it is burnt in presence of oxygen, it will form SO2. SO2, when it will react with water, it will form sulfurous acid. And when this SO2 will be oxidized to form SO3, this SO3, when it will react with water vapors, will get H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. Thus, acidity in acid rain is due to the reaction of oxides of sulfur with water vapor forming dilute acids. Thank you.